Dispose of depleted, non-rechargeable aerosol spray cans safely to prevent fires, injuries, and environmental harm. Empty cans completely by spraying until no product or pressure remains, then check local recycling rules, since many programs accept fully empty metal aerosol cans with household recycling. If your community treats them as household hazardous waste, place the intact empty can in the designated hazardous waste collection or bring it to a community hazardous waste event. Do not mix it with regular trash if local rules prohibit it. Never puncture, crush, or dismantle the can to try to remove residual propellant, because that can release flammable gas or pressurized contents and cause injury. Do not burn or incinerate aerosol cans, as the remaining propellant can explode under heat, creating a fire and emitting toxic combustion byproducts. For partially full cans or cans that contain hazardous chemicals like pesticides, automotive sprays, or solvent-based products, treat them as hazardous waste and keep the original label, then transport them upright and secured to a collection site following any local transport rules. If you are unsure what your local jurisdiction requires, contact your municipal solid waste authority or search their website for guidance on aerosols and household hazardous waste programs. Common problems include people assuming all cans are recyclable when they are not, so always confirm your local recycling accepts single-use aerosol cans and only when fully empty. Another frequent issue is puncturing or crushing cans at home to remove contents, which risks explosion or toxic release. So never attempt mechanical venting, and instead use a hazardous waste program for partially full cans. A third concern is improper storage awaiting disposal, where cans are stored near heat sources or in direct sunlight causing pressure buildup. So store them in a cool, ventilated area away from ignition sources and plan prompt disposal through a scheduled collection event. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers guidance related to safe disposal practices and home maintenance projects. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share experiences about handling hazardous materials and finding local services.